Hey everyone, welcome to my series of videos of solving LeetCode problems. In this video we're solving 49 group anagrams. I actually solved this in April 21st, 2020, but we're in 2023, so let's do it again. And I don't remember how I did it. So group anagrams. Given an array of strings, group the anagrams together. You can return the answer in any order. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. So let's say an anagram of self is fles or elfs or lefs or lesf. We're just rearranging the letters. We're not repeating any letter just because it's there. We're not doing like lels. We need to use all the same letters or characters exactly the same times that they exist, or like once if looking at them individually. So what's going to be my strategy here? It's going to be pretty simple. First of all, let me create a directory, 49 group anagrams, and code 49 group anagrams. Solution.py, pass solution group anagrams, and the input is all of this. So what am I going to do? What's going to be my strategy? I'm not sure if this is cheating. It feels like cheating because it feels pretty simple to me. What I'm going to do is have like final values, which is a list, which will have more lists, and then I don't even need to do that actually, but I will also have values by sorted string, which is a dictionary of string and list of string, and it starts with nothing. So what we do for word in strings, I go and do sorted word, and I can just call sorted word, and I can just say if sorted word not in values by sorted string keys, I can just say values by sorted string of sorted word equals empty array, and then values by sorted string dot append string of sorted word dot append word, and then at the end I just do return a list of values by sorted string dot values. Gosh, I'm actually I should just submit it. It feels pretty simple. Okay, national type list. In sorted word, sorted word returns like that, so I need to join. So I have bat 10 nat eat t8. Bat 10 nat eat 8 eat t, same thing. So feeling confident, just gonna submit this. The reason why, it works, and it works very good, I'm happy. So why did this work? Let's say we look at the word eat, and we save it in the dictionary as the sorted one. So we have AET, and that corresponds to, we have eat and some other things. So T is also AET. So yeah, also T. And then tan is not once, but that's ANT. And that corresponds to, well, 10. And then 8 goes here. And then nat, and then bat. Bat's another category, which is ABT. Bat. Yeah. So when you sort it, you can use it as a key for a dictionary hash table. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.